Good morning, guys. It is lovely Sunday here in Greece. First, I want to tell you Happy Easter. I wish you all the best to you and to your family. To be healthy, to be happy, to be prosperous and achieve the goals that you have. As you can see here, the weather is much better today. It is around 15 degrees maybe. We have some sunshine on the right. Behind this sand wall is the Thracian Sea, and here you can see the Limnu Lake. This region is very good for bird watching, but so far I'm not seeing any big birds. But we will stroll around and try to find some interesting birds, have a video of it, of them, and also show you some other interesting places in the region. Here is a bit of close-up view of the Limnu Lake. As you can see, it is very shallow, and these are the best conditions for big birds because they like shallow waters where they can easily eat frogs and other small animals. But I have no idea why, but there are no big birds for now. Maybe down the lake we will find something. And here is how the beautiful Thracian Sea looks. The beach is unfortunately a little bit dirty, most probably because of the storms that threw some garbage during the winter here. But overall, this seems to be a very good beach for the summer. I suppose that there are a lot of people here during the summer months. But now, as you can see, there is absolutely nobody. And here we have another beautiful beach on the beautiful Thracian Sea. This one is much cleaner, which is good to see. And it is also pretty big, as you can see. This is interesting because in the most part of Greece the beaches are not with such beautiful sand that you can see here. Most of them are rocky, but obviously in this region there are also very beautiful sand beaches. Generally these are the places which we are looking for, which are suitable for birds, but unfortunately there is only small birds. Let me try to zoom a bit with my phone and show you a bit closer view. But we were hoping to find some rose flamingos, which unfortunately are nowhere to be seen. As you can see, there are a lot more people here, and also some additional restaurants have opened. This property was not working yesterday. We have today a total of 4 restaurants right next to each other which are working, which of course is pretty normal because today is Easter, so everybody is celebrating. And also let me show you the beautiful view of the Fanari beach. Today we have a really sunny day, very pleasant weather, around 15 degrees, something like that. The wind is down from yesterday. Overall, the place is really pretty and deserves to be visited. This place was also not open yesterday and the day before that. Seaside cafe bar, and you can also see that there are a lot more people at the beach now. Let me show you so that you can compare with the previous days. Here is the Fanari sign that we already saw at Friday, and here is how the beach looks. Some people are getting sunbaths, even some are entering the sea, which seems to be pretty optimistic for me with these temperatures, but yeah, obviously for some people it's not a problem. So guys, whoever looks for craft beer finds craft beer, even in such small village like Fanari. Here is what I found: Fresh Hughes beer. Frankly, I have no idea what exactly to expect here, but let's check it. Well, the description of this is house ale, and in fact it has much more in common with the pale ale than the normal lager, so it seems to be some kind of craft beer. I can't understand the Greek letters here, so I can't tell you what exactly is the brewery. I will check this after that. And with that, let me show you the beautiful view from my accommodation. And with that, I'm gonna slowly finish this lazy Sunday Easter day. It was a great experience. We also had a great combination of lunch and dinner because we were at the restaurant around 4 p.m. So guys, this is it from here for today. Tomorrow we will slowly go back to Sofia, but we have another interesting architecture and historical object that I want to show you, but this will be tomorrow. See you. Good morning guys, it is Monday. We are slowly going back to Bulgaria, but before getting home I want to show you one more interesting object, and this is the fortress of Pythion. You can see it in front of us. Unfortunately, due to the Monday after Easter, it is not open today. Like many businesses in Greece, many people here are on vacation at this day. So let me give you some bit of information about it. This fortress was built between 1330 and 1340 by Emperor John Kantakouzenos. By that time he was fighting another candidate for emperor, John III Palaiologus, and this was one of his residences. Later he won the civil war and became emperor. And this fortress shortly after that was conquered by the Ottomans. It is pretty well preserved, but unfortunately we can't show it from inside. So guys, this is the view from the road. This is the best that we can do without entering the fortress itself. So with that, I think that it is the right time to finalize this video. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.